Alright, what is going on, everybody? Hope everyone's doing good. Just like we said this morning, bounce, Bitcoin about to bounce. Sure enough, she did. Sure enough, she did. Alright. Let's see what we're doing. What are we, 5 minutes? You got money flow coming out. VWAP just crossed over. Blood diamond right there. Okay. Your divergences. Nine minutes, 8 minutes till the VWAP reset. We got our two VWAPs down here right now. The green one is the yearly VWAP, anchored from today. The yellow one is your intraday VWAP that's getting ready to reset. Let's see what she does. I bet your money flows in the red on the 1 minute. Yeah. Money flow is in the red. Could be putting in some divs here. Nice divs right there. Got you that little scalp. Need price to come down just a little bit more. Money flow kind of low, shooting up. Looks like she could keep stair stepping down though. Couple stair steps down. I think money flow is coming out on a 5. Indeed. And let's see the 10. Money flow coming down, VWAP curving down. It doesn't look too bad on the 15. But it could start looking pretty bad with the 10 and the 5 minute money flow coming out here. Let's see what it's doing in the next hour. Ooh, we're about to see a little move to the downside here. VWAP's gonna cross down. You are printing the red dot. It's about to confirm. Money flow though is has a nice trajectory to the upside, looks like. Oh yeah, she's going, huh? She's going, huh? Wow, what a bounce. Said this morning, Bitcoin about to bounce. Sure enough, she did. Where was it? Right here. Right here, missed the entry right there. Got to the charts 5 minutes too late. It's okay, because we're going to find us another one. That 1 hour VWAP crossover will probably bring us down. Money flow was coming up on the 4 hour. We got room to run. Daily's getting ready to confirm the green dot. The bottom green dot here. Money flow. Starting to rise back up. Need to close above this 786 though. Need some candles to close above that on these lower time frames. looks kind of good. I mean, she could reject off the zero line. 16 to the upside, -5. You got double -5s. Momentum's getting higher on your DBSIs. 3 minutes. 3 minutes for the VWAP reset. 10-minute money flow coming out. 5-minute money flow coming out. Dinging and doinking down, huh? Money flow just came out on the 3. It's probably going to lead to the 5. And if there ain't no money in it, it's the 1 hour. I'm pretty sure the 1 hour was money flow was coming up. Some money coming in. 2 minutes. 2 minutes till the VWAP reset. Your VWAP is crossing over the zero line on market cipher B. It's probably going to lead us down a little bit. Money flow coming out. Getting some deep momentum waves around that 60. They can get deeper. VWAP's getting ready to come back down on the 1 minute. Didn't quite make a lower low though. If anything, it's just that's it, huh? She's gonna take a little stroll down, looks like. Less than a minute for the VWAP reset. I want to see what the daily VWAP on market cipher B does, and then we'll go back to the lower time frame, see if we can't find us a little scalper. What do you got? What do you got? Give it a second. Could be like I said this morning, she has that inward curve down. Money flow is coming up. Let's go back down here to the 5, no, to the 1, because the VWAP just reset. Now we have our year to date VWAP, the green one, and the intraday, the yellow. Give it a few minutes, let some data collect. Losing VWAP. Looks like you're gonna lose your money flow. I might be interested in the short here. The short on the next 5 minute VWAP cross down, especially if we don't get above the zero. We see if we see the VWAP start to curve down on a sharp little curve, because money flow is coming down. I mean, we could very well bounce off of the zero line. Because that's just not quite there yet. Now we start reclaiming VWAP, the intraday VWAP here. With money flow coming in, we can go long more than likely. But we have to make sure the money flow is bouncing off the zero line, coming back up on that 5 minute. But money flow is coming out on the one. I might be looking. We got 2 minutes. Got 2 minutes. What's the money flow on the 2 in the red coming down? 3 in the red curving down. Losing the VWAP. PBSIs are pushing down as well. Wait and see. But I'm really thinking there's a little scalp short coming. At least until we put in a pretty deep wave on this 5 minute. We lose that money flow. That'll probably lead to the 10 minute money flow coming out too. What's our 15 looking like? Lower time frames are already in the red. She can definitely curve down and keep this keep that momentum wave going down. At a minute 13. If I see a sharp decrease down on this VWAP on the 5 minute with money flow coming even farther down, because yeah, now we're starting to lose VWAP there. Starting to lose the VWAP. Gonna be a risky one, but I'm okay with that. If I go more than $15 negative, I'll close her. 30 seconds. I really feel like, oh wow, oh wow, losing the VWAP for sure. RSIs are coming down. We don't want to short the bottom of the candle. But this is probably it. This is probably gonna be it right now. Yeah, we should have been. We don't want to short the bottom of the candle. Wow. Ready to go. I don't want to short the bottom of that freaking thing, no. You might not have no choice. Yeah, I just don't want to. I don't want to short the bottom of the candle. I should though. VWAP's coming up, money flow's coming down. This next wait and see what this 1 minute VWAP's gonna do. You don't want to short the bottom of the candles. So you want to short the top of them. VWAP's crossing over. See if we're gonna regain the VWAP, or is it gonna become resistance? If we're under VWAP on this 5 with money flow coming out. And man, does it look like she's gonna come out. That might have been the entry point. 5 to 10. Something telling me to short. See what the VWAP does here. We see money flow coming out on the 5 and the 10. She wants to reclaim VWAP here though. Could be a fake out before some more downside. We are in an uptrend. She needs to hold. DBSI is pushing up. VWAP's coming up. Bull divs. Oh yeah, some bull divs. She could be just bouncing off the 0 here, or maybe slightly under before pushing right back up. We should too. If you like the music, Lord Cyborg, link is in the description below. Yeah, see? Losing VWAP again. That could be the entry point for the short. Gonna have to keep an eye on this 5 and 10. But I'm thinking there's a short scalp there. We should too. Now if we can reclaim this VWAP and have money flow come in on the 1 minute, the 5 minute just kind of kisses that 0 line and keep coming up, same as the 10, because on the 1 hour money flow was on the way back up. What she's doing, a sharp increase down 10 minutes ago. What about the 4 hour? 4 hour was pushing up as well. Looks like she's gonna curve down. And technically we are not making a higher high than here, so you can expect a lower low. Expect a lower low without making higher highs. You need to open up above this 786 for sure. If you want to have a shot of going back up. It looks like there's still room to the downside. VWAP's getting ready to do what it does. We're above VWAP. 5 minute. Yeah, money flow. Ah, man. I really want to short this. Really want to short that coming in. I need VWAP to start coming down. And in the next 4 minutes, if we can get if VWAP starts coming down, we're going to put in the short. Because right there, that's probably it. Probably the entry. That VWAP right there. Just candle. Do I want to front run this thing? Kinda. kinda do. We should do. It's coming down. 16 to the down. Yeah, we should take it. In it to win it. And there she is. We're up $2. Let her come on down. Let her come on down. What's the 5? What's the 5? I really want to see that money flow come out. We're gonna hold on to this one for a second. Risking $10. Watch the VWAP. Let's see what the VWAP does in the next minute. Next 20 seconds. We're up 266. 264. 219. 205. Watch the VWAP. 1 second. I think I'm going to close this one. I'm negative right now. 43 cents. But it looks like she has. Yeah, I'm closing it. Just lost 56 cents. We should too. And if only I would have held it. I just need this 5 minutes to confirm, that's all. I need the VWAP to come down with money flow coming out. When we're under VWAP here. I'm glad I did get out for freaking negative 80 cents. Well, that's the only way you're gonna learn. Only way you're gonna learn. Yeah, green dot's definitely coming on the 5, but doesn't mean we won't make lower lows and start creating divergences. See, money flow came straight up. That's why we wait. That's why we wait. If we would have waited, we wouldn't have lost fucking 80 cents. Now, we readjust. Make sure VWAP is gonna hold. Money flows goes into the green. We have divergences. We will long it. Long in the 1 minute. Money flow just coming right back up. Nice little double green dot at the 60. Means the money flow on the 5th or the 10 should start curving back up too. We just need it to come in. Confirming VWAP as support. Man, she is choppy. She is choppy. It's about to come down. Next candle gonna open pretty red, guys. Under VWAP. Should have held that short. She started going up so much though, but lesson learned. Lesson learned. Hold on to them. Stick with your plan. Obviously, you stick with your plans. Bull dip's coming. Well, damn it, boy, I should have held that short. I got scared. I said I was going to risk $10 and I didn't even risk $1. I wouldn't even have hit the $10. And that's how it happens. That's how it freaking happens, guys. What an ass. Bull dips. Come above VWAP. With money flow coming in. And we'll long it. You're losing VWAP. Money flow is not looking that good. VWAP on marketcipher B is coming down. Let's see. Well, damn it, we should have held the short. You are getting bull dips though. I don't know how high VWAP's gonna go. Looks like she could curve right back down.
Hit Max, Stars, MGM Plus, and more on YouTube.
back up to your intraday VWAP. It's your anchored VWAP here, or your year-to-date VWAP. It's your 2025 VWAP. You got the bull divs, DBSIs pushing up. If we can come above our VWAP here with money flow coming into the green, that might, you wanna try to get the entrance below the VWAP here, obviously, but I'd rather confirm it as support, but that's looking good. You got your divs, money flow is coming up. If you check the 5-minute, money flow started. Yeah, see? Now she's coming above. Double green dot. But, damn, that probably was it. I mean, classic divergence. Classic market cipher B. Take the divergences. Money flow's coming up. Maybe we can start closing some candles above VWAP here. Have this VWAP come down and start shooting back up off the zero line. I'll probably take it off the sharp shoot up. But see, we may not hold it. I'd like to confirm. I mean, look at that. That wick there. Holy John Wick. Yep. And now we need to bounce. I need money flow. We got our divergences. Need money flow coming in with VWAP coming up. Ooh. And we don't want along the top of the freaking candle. Don't want to do that. As soon as we hit the long button, here she comes crashing back down without confirmation. Damn it, boy, she is going. This is starting to look kind of good. We need to open above VWAP. We need candles above VWAP. Money flow's coming in. Let's see. Let's maybe we can buy something here. Stop loss is gonna be 1%, and we're not. I mean, unless I just know we're gonna hit that stop loss. We're not pulling the trade. We're not pulling this thing. Look at that, the blue candle, the blue triangle, money flow coming in. I don't want to catch the top there. Don't want to catch the top there. I need VWAP to start coming back up before I wanna hit the long button. Damn. Divergences. Fucking should have logged that div. VWAP was already coming up. Money flow's coming in. That's fine though. That's fine. Looks like we might have some room to run here. Pumping. Freaking pumping. Holy cow. Sit on your hands. That's kind of... Damn it. Missed that one. Missed that one. That was a funded trade right there in 2 candles. Oh. Yeah, man. She's going. I want to catch the next little... You see she's coming down a little bit. We need to catch her coming up with money flow coming up. And then screw it. Screw it. Hit the button. That was it though, those divs, that was it on the 1 minute. Now you're above. Now you're above your VWAP. Plenty of room to run on this momentum. Next curve up with money flow coming in. We're going long. We're gonna send that order. Oh, that's not it though. Not it. I'm not catching the top of a candle just for it to come crashing down after I hit the send order. VWAP still coming down. I mean, money flow still coming up. but your VWAP's still coming down. I need them to be working together. Damn, she is just going though. Holy cow. Being tested. Being tested. I'm not hitting the long button. I'm not long in the top of the candle. As soon as I do, I know you're gonna come down. You're not fooling me. Damn it. We missed that one. We missed the dibs there. So obvious. So obvious in hindsight. Damn it. And now your money flow is gonna come in. The next bounce, I mean, we got room to run. Definitely got room to run on this momentum. Oh, it could be divs though. Could be some bear divs. Watch out. Damn, boy, she ripped. She freaking ripped. Those divs right there. Classic market cipher B strategy. Now, if we can get a bounce here, I don't know. You're clipping with divs. The song might be right. The song might be right. Ooh, but look at that. You understand me? Whoa, man, she really ripped up there, didn't she? Still trying to go up some. Money flow is coming in, but VWAP's not bagging it. I don't want to take it. Now we could be coming back to make sure VWAP support, and then if money flow's still in the green and market cipher B VWAP is crossing up and over, we might be able to get in on this thing. It's important to have confirmation. Even right here and right here, I was like, man, kind of want to just hop in on that pump. But as soon as I would have, you would have got this thing. I'm glad we held that. Yep, it's coming down. That money flow didn't do much of nothing, huh? She goes back in the red. She's coming back down. You are printing the top, doesn't mean you can't put in bull divs though, or more bear divs. Technically on the 1 minute though. You got some pretty big bear divs going on at the moment. Doesn't mean they can't keep going. Some pretty big bear divs on the 1 minute. Money flow's coming up though. Money flow's coming up. Okay. Looks like she's trying to fight. Looks like might be another push up, huh? No. This is over the 60 line or the 0 line enough to where she can come down, but keep coming up. Keep ebbing and flowing up. Keeping this momentum going higher. Doesn't look like it though, huh? Pawn key token, huh? Pawn key. Let's see about it. Let's see. See more money. Pawn key token. Pawn key, let's see, buy a bit. Yeah, I like it. Where are we at on the 1 minute? Hope this is the right token here, guy. Mr. More Money. What'd you say? Running hard. Oh yeah, money flow just came in on the 1 hour too. Wow. Yes. Oh, I'd watch this VWAP. I'd watch this VWAP to curve back up. If you want to see, I mean, money flow did just come in on the hour. What's your daily look like? VWAP's running on the daily. Money flow's coming up. Looks like you got some nice bull divs here on the daily as well. Yeah, this could be a decent long. I mean, just off of this right here. I don't know much about this token here. She had some nice runs though. That money flow came in. Jeez. Okay. See what your 4 hours telling you. You do have the divs. She is running. You still on your 4 hour, your DBSI is still -5 to the downside, 23, 24. These are some of the highest numbers you can get. I think the max is 25 on the DBSI to the upside. Starting to, where's your VWAP at? You're claiming VWAP. Now, on the lower time frames, looks like there are some bear divs. Yeah, without a doubt, some bear divs forming. So you might want to wait for a little retracement. But I'd have to say on the hour, you don't want the VWAP to cross over, right? Because that's going to bring you down some. But she very well could just bounce off that zero and bleed you into some more bear divs. Because yeah, this would be your new anchor wave. Forming a new anchor wave on the 1 hour. So she could definitely rip and run. You know, you could see higher highs but lower lows on your oscillator here. 50x. I don't know, what's the previous high here? So your previous high, 84 cents, you're at 32, yeah, that's assuming, like all other coins, you're gonna make higher all-time highs in the bull market this next year. You know what, this is just assuming this coin follows the rest of the market, and the all-time high is 163% away from where we're at now. So that's an easy 50x, sir. Now, does it mean it's going to do it? No. No, it doesn't. Well, what would a 50x look like? Let's see. From these levels, I mean, that's possible. That is possible. This looks like I bet you there's some good volume right here. You go up to 50 cents. That's about what a 50x would look like from this levels. So we'll take, let's see, where's my anchored VWAP? No, not my anchored VWAP. Fixed range. See, yeah, you could definitely, you start coming above 35, 37 cents. Assuming, you know, it follows the market. Yeah, no, low cap, definitely possible. Definitely possible 50x. From these levels, all you would need to do is go up to around 50 cents. And that's a 50% gain right there. And I mean, there's volume up here. There's some trading volume that could get you here. Looks like it's been here before. It's been a support and resistance flip at some point. You see, you have resistance, and then it flipped to support and took off. So yeah, you could definitely come up here. It is definitely a low cap gem. You could You could see a 50x. That's assuming it's going to follow the bull cycle and all the other coins as well. But yeah, I see potential in it. I see potential in it. Let me just take one more look for you on the daily VWAPs coming up. You got bull divs. I mean, everything's gonna follow Bitcoin, obviously. 1 hour money flows coming in. You want the VWAP to curve up. And I'll do an 8 hour and then I'll back to Bitcoin. I mean, that VWAP shooting up. Money flow is coming up. Bear divs or bull divs, you're getting lower. Oscillator is getting higher. So yeah, we could be seeing some price action to the upside on this. Yeah, you could see a 50x return on this by the end of the year. Not guaranteed, anything's possible, but looks like we are starting to bottom out for you. What is the Bitcoin doing? Let's go down to the 1 minute. Above VWAP, money flow is coming in. Bear divs forming on the 1 minute. You see what happens when it comes in though. Still on one. Yep, looks like we're going higher. Going higher for sure. Plenty of room to run, create bear divs. VWAP's coming down on the 5. What's our next area of resistance here? Some VWAPs. I need to go to my Coinbase chart. We're almost right at that spider line, huh? We could see a rejection out the spider line. Money flow is starting to come in though. What is this, the 4 hour? And see, we're right there at that OG spider line with VWAP coming down. I mean, she's still well above the 0 and she could have room to ebb and flow above the 0 here. We'll see. You don't want to be losing the money though. And then, well, that's a point of control. Yeah. That is your point of control. Back to the 1 hour. She is just ripping. Oh, money flow. Yep. Looks like VWAP's gonna come back up, start shooting back up. Plenty of room for divergences above the 0 line. They will play out soon though. You got a fight between the DBSIs here. Money VWAP coming down, which means price is probably going to follow. Yeah, plenty of room for divergences. We're making higher highs, but our oscillator is getting lower. So you can start to expect a cool off here soon. After this big run up, splash the VWAP. Money flow isn't looking all that great though. Money flow is not looking all that great. DBSIs are pushing down. Could be a little consolidation before ripping. Pretty sure the 5-minute money flow is still coming up. Looks like you got plenty of room to run on that VWAP. Let's go to the 15. Plenty of room to run. She is looking good. Money flow shooting straight up. Money flow is coming up. There's money coming into the market. Yeah, on the stream this morning we said we could see 1 or 2 green candles here and then have that VWAP come right back down, because the VWAP just it's looking like it's gonna curve down a little bit, you know. Looks like it's gonna do this, one of them. Now she could just blast off, but it's not what it's looking like. But money flow is coming back up on the daily. Is this going to take us to all-time highs? I doubt it. Just to previous resistance. Or previous support, but now it's resistance. 15 is still looking pretty good. If we can work out this 1 and 5. This 1 and 5 minute. Still plenty of divergences here on the 1. VWAP's getting ready to cross over. Looks like you're going to make some more divergences as price gets higher and your oscillator gets lower. And that was it. That was it. Man, we was here for it. And we didn't take that long. I'm glad we didn't try to catch it though. VWAP is getting ready to cross over. You can expect price to go up if it does. Is the money flow gonna stay in the green? She's kind of looking that way. Well, it's hard to say. Hard to say. I don't know if she's gonna curve up looking like that. You are getting your other divergences. VWAP's about to come back down. Expect some more divergences, I guess. There she is. There they are, playing out. Money flow's coming out. Are we gonna hold VWAP? I'm pretty sure we're gonna hold this VWAP. Just looking at the 5. Oh, never mind. Money flow started coming back down. Sharp turn down. When did we have 5 minutes? We'll have to watch this 5 and 10. She's still coming up. You don't want to lose the money. Money flow still looking good on the 15. I mean, she could start coming down, but she's looking good. And looks like you got some room to run on the VWAP as well. Surely. Where's our entry? Maybe right, yeah, there. She's going up. But I'm not catching the top of a candle. That was my problem right here. It was just pumping so hard, man. We was going to catch the top of the candle. I guess it wouldn't really matter right now, but still, it would have mattered right here. Oh, I just wanted to hop in so bad on one of these. She was just ripping. I didn't know. I didn't. Classic marketcipher divergences, man. They just work. Holy cow. And then money flow started coming in. Don't long it now, boys. Do not long it now. Missed it. No, there's still some entries coming, but these bear divs are gonna play out here soon. But the 15's still looking good, looking like we can still confirm VWAP and take a little scalp somewhere. Money flow still high. 30 to 1 hour. VWAP just crossed over on the 30. Damn, I wish I would have looked at that. Or is it just now happening? Yeah, it's just now happening. This is getting ready to confirm. But also, you're probably going to put in some bear divs. So watch it. The cool-off's coming. You're pumping right up to that spider line, the OG spider line there. You're probably going to get a cool-off here soon. Okay. VWAP's curving back to the upside. She's pumping above that spider line. Man. I want to hit the long button so bad. Not with that VWAP coming down on the 1 minute though. Along the top of the candle, just for it to crash. Because those are definitely bear divs, okay? Unless this just keeps ripping. Let's see what happens. I almost caught it, Nick. I almost caught that year-to-date bounce. Jeez. Boom. Where was it on the 1 minute this morning? I was freaking 5 minutes late. Right here. Right here, money flow. You started opening above VWAP. You kissed that VWAP. Make sure she was support. And then money flow came in, and she never looked back. She never looked back. And you can go check my stream this morning. Fucking 10 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes sooner I would have caught her. I definitely wouldn't have held her this long. Probably about right there I would have closed the whole thing. Oh well. Oh well, there's always another entry point. Just like I'm not freaking long in any of this. Missed my entry down here on these divs. That was the entry. Claiming VWAP, money flows coming in. Plenty of room to run. Above the zero. Bear divs. Bear divs. Money money flow still coming up beautifully. Oh, she's not done, I don't think. She's not done going up, I don't think. You might only got one more shot. There's some divs, bear divs. Oh, he was talking about FTM anyway. Let's see what the VWAP does. I feel like she's gonna bounce soon. Start curving up. That money flow still coming in. That could have been it too. Yep. Woo, she's gonna keep going, huh? What's our 5 minute looking like? VWAP starting to curve up. The momentum's still going. I like that 15 too. I like the 15. Money flow shooting straight up. You got room to run on this momentum wave with the VWAP. She is just steady pumping, guys. What a pump. See what the VWAP does. Is she coming back? Oh yeah, she's coming back. That money flow is just shooting up. Money flow is getting thick. She's coming up hard. Okay. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Missed that one. Can't believe I missed that one. I'm not shorting the bear divs either. Not unless the money flow is in the red. You go to short it, you're gonna get she's going up too hard too fast. You might actually see a little wick down here. What is this? And this might be the 2024 VWAP. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I made the 2024 yearly VWAP white. Oh, we'll come back to that. We'll come back to that. I know that's your December VWAP, the blue one. Yeah, and this is your 2024. Pretty sure I made that one the white one. Man, she's ripping. She's got room to move on this 5 minute. You might see a little cool off on this one. You are getting bear divs. We just said you probably see a cool off of these divs. But she's about to start going back up. Once this VWAP crosses over, keep the money flow coming up. You can just assume she's going to keep going up. You're above your intraday VWAP. You want DBSI to start backing it. There she goes. Let's see. She's kind of flatlining. Got a 4 to a 5. What a battle. What a battle. Plenty of room to keep making divergences. Okay, we can keep going higher with the oscillator going lower. Pay attention to the VWAP. Pay attention to the DBSIs. VWAP starting to come down. Bear divs are playing out. They are playing out. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Thank you guys. I hope you are enjoying the content. We wasn't able to take our little long, but that's okay. There's always another trade coming. Looks like these bear divs are playing out. Did you see Butt cheeks, uneven cheeks. She still has room to run for divergences now. You see, you got your little cool off here, and she kept going. Kept creating divergences. You don't want money flow coming out though. You want to keep the money. If we're going to continue higher. VWAP is starting to curve up. Money flow could just bounce off the zero like we did on the 5 while ago. Where we're at right here. Because man, I put in a short, I lost freaking 80 something cents, $1 something maybe, by the time I closed it. I really thought that money flow was going to come out. But I'm glad I closed it. I'm glad I didn't just fucking let it go all the way up to 1%. I really thought that money flow was going to come out, trying to front run it. I was nervous because the VWAP was coming up too though. And that's why we wait. That's why we wait for everything to line up. Like right now, if money flow is coming out with VWAP coming out, you're putting in your bear divs, right? Like that's tons of confluence right there that it's gonna go down. Okay, you don't want money flow coming out with VWAP coming up, because you'll lose. Trust me, I know. Personal experience. You will lose. See, VWAP's coming out, but money flow's coming in. VWAP was coming out, money flow was coming in. I was up freaking $4 or $5 for a second. But you want them to be pointing in the same direction. Like right here. Right here, you know money flow is about to start coming up. Or right here, crossing over. Both of them crossing over. Quite the move. On a scalp now, this isn't nothing to hold. You know, you want to get out on your red dots, your deep red dots. You want to get out of them. At least half the trade and move it into your stop loss into your stop loss into entry. Money flow's coming up, VWAP's coming up. You got plenty of room to put in some more bear divs, right? Wonder what that was. If we would have got in, fuck it, we'll say the next one. And got out on that red dot. That's a 1% move with some leverage. That's pretty nice. That's a pretty nice scalp. And it would have only took like 40 minutes. This is what we're trying to get good at, ladies and gentlemen. This is what we're trying to do. And 30 minutes make whatever amount. Make more than what people make in a day in 30 minutes, right? That's what we're trying to do. And man, did we have it. And we have it. We had our general direction. We had our divs. Got that last little clip. Money flow's coming up. VWAP's already way over. You're above your intraday VWAP. Should have took it. I don't think I was on the chart though. Nah, I was here for sure, but I don't think I was quite looking. VWAP's coming up. Looks like you're gonna taper off. Money flow still looking good, looking like she's gonna come up. Now, what you don't want to see, you don't want to see this price come up above here, and then you start putting in divs on your money flow as well. You don't want to see bear divs on your money flow. It's not what you want to see. I don't like that. I don't like that. She could keep coming down. Holy cow. Never mind. She corrected pretty quickly, didn't she? Oh man, she was curving down, then she just shot up. Damn it. Don't do it. Don't you do it. Space. Well, she has room for divergences. Damn. I just wanna FOMO in on those goddamn wicks. That last little pinch. I'm not hitting the long button on the top of the candle though. Damn it. Shit is going. Still room for divergences. I don't know. I don't like the way that VWAP's looking. Money flow is looking nice though. Come on. Keep coming up, huh? She's gonna keep coming up. 5 minutes. What's the 5 minute doing? Okay, VWAP's bouncing off the zero here. Looks like your money flow could start curving back up here. See, you got that curve to it. Is that what she's gonna do? I don't know. I don't want to lie to you, but that's what she looks like she's gonna do. So, curve up a little bit. I wouldn't really call that the splash, right? The splash that confirms our VWAP. That's what you want to see. That's what Flopping Groper taught me. You want to see that splash. Well, this was on the year-to-date VWAP, but the splash confirming support, and there she goes. There she goes. Okay, so that's what we want to see. Especially on the 15 and the 5. We want to see it through the 5, the 10, and the 15. She'll be a bit more choppy on the 1. But the splash will look, the splash will be a lot more clear on these higher time frames. You'll see the splash, VWAP's coming up, money flow's coming up. You got your green dot right there. Flipping your ribbons to support. You'll just know the splash better on these higher time frames. The VWAP splash. Okay. What is this? A 15? I don't like that VWAP coming down like it is. Bear divs. Major bear divs. Yeah, fuck it, we'll just call it right here, huh? Either way. Even if this is your new trigger wave. Yeah, because you're not making higher highs here. So even if this is your new trigger wave, shit, you might make higher highs. The way she's going. The way that money flow stick. The way you got room to move on that VWAP, she might make higher highs. But those are definitely bear divs. If that's the case, you see what happened here. That bear div played out. So I don't know. I'm not looking that far back right now. I think right here will be our anchor waves, right? And she's definitely, prices getting higher, but I don't see that VWAP. I mean, she still has room to run, right? But she's probably gonna clip somewhere around this 60. She's probably gonna clip around this 60. Now she could bounce and fucking rip and become a new anchor wave, but with the way it's looking, that's not what's gonna happen. Okay. So we're waiting for the splash. We're getting some data. The data is growing. Still got room to run on this 5. She's not quite tapered off, huh? Looks like she's curving up too, off the 0. I bet the 1 minute has some green candles. You got the -5 on the DBSI. Oh yeah. 1 minute has some green candles. Still plenty of room for divs though. Okay. See, I wouldn't quite count that as a splash. neither one of these really splashed down to our VWAP here. So I can only assume these bear divs will splash us down, and then we can go from there if we're gonna long it, or if we're losing money on the 1 minute and we're losing VWAP, we're probably gonna try to short it back down to this VWAP, the daily VWAP, or the yearly VWAP for 2025, the green one. We'll have to wait and see. Short it down here, you could bounce it back up here. Okay, you do have a point of control right here, that pink line. That's a point of control on your volume. Yeah, this is another div on the way, but money flow is still just shooting straight up. Okay, she's got room to go. She's coming in. And she could diverge all the way down here. Okay, price could be getting higher all the while momentum's diverging down here. It's probably going to be one of the red dots close to the zero line that's really going to take her down in this 1 minute. If you like the music, the link is in the description below. It is Lord Cyborg. I really can't trade to anything else. When I first found out about trading, it was through Crypto Face, and this is what he was listening to. And I just got so accustomed to watching the charts with this music going, man. I just didn't feel right without it. Still putting in bear divs, guys. Still putting in some bear divs. Looks like that blue line there is spider line, OG spider line. Yeah, OG spider line. You're very well probably going to come up and hit your head on it, and then hopefully we can splash back down to the VWAP with something telling us along on the 1 minute. But as of right now, I'd just be waiting for this last red dot with the VWAP crossing over. That could be a good short scalp, a very quick short, right? Until you get your curve or you're crossing back over. No, nothing's confirmed yet. Money flow is still, she's starting to taper off some. So yeah, this could be the third, triple tap, 1, 2, 3, triple tap it, short it down. Okay. Risk 1%. She had to jump up to 96k, which is very possible right now, the way she's been going. Just hauling ass to the top. But I promise you, this third little tap, that if it crosses over, money flow still coming out, this red dot's gonna take us down. But I don't catch the bottom, right? That's the bottom. She's gonna keep coming down though. Yeah, she's gonna keep coming down. Yeah, VWAP's about to cross on the 5-2. This is it. This is your scalp short. But it's not my last, homie. It ain't over for me. It ain't over for me. Crashed on me, but it's not my last, homie. Yeah, this could be it. That's your little short scalp, probably. I don't know though. Well, I don't know. Yeah, see, that's what I figured. I figured she's gonna just keep coming. We need that VWAP to for sure be crossing over on this 5. Looks like. I mean, yeah. Looks like it. She is just pumping. Oh, there she goes. There's the scout playing out. There's the scout playing out. Alright, well, let's see what she's gotta do, huh? Definitely plenty of room for more divergences. There's a short scout playing out like we just called. Money flow's looking good on the 15. Got room to run on the VWAP. Ooh, wish I had one. Bouncing off the 1 hour 0 line. That's looking good. These was all off of divs up to here, huh? Well, technically, you're still lower than you are right here. So yeah, divs. Keep putting in divs. Let's see the 4 hour. I saw the 4 hour money flow coming in before I got on. That could look real good, especially if this VWAP comes and bounces off the 0 line here. Money flow come in, you could see us come up to possibly 96, 97K area, and then we would have to hold these areas to continue higher. But right now it looks like we're gonna flip this 786 to support and try to keep going, huh? That's what she's looking like. The daily has room to run. Okay, so we'll keep an eye out on the key levels and our divergences to get us into our trades. Key levels with divergences while we follow the money flow and the VWAPs. Okay. Yeah, it looks like the 5 is gonna cross over. I mean, she very well could. See what the woman is doing if she started coming. Yeah, I see a quick one now. So money flow still coming up. Yeah, she's probably gonna create more bear divs on this 1 minute. Hopefully she can come down and kiss this VWAP. I am getting ready to have to go, but I'll be back first thing in the morning. Probably around 7:30 is what I'm hoping for. Early bird catches the worm. If I was just 5 minutes earlier this morning, I could have caught the absolute bottom of this move right here. She never looked back. Alright, well, that will do it for me. Thank you everybody for tuning in. I hope you all had a great New Year's. Day 1 complete, right? I hope you accomplished all your goals for today. I feel like I have, except for getting into a trade. I got into one, actually. I lost freaking $1 or something. So, got into a trade but lost. That's fun. Minimize the losses, maximize the gains. That's how you become successful at this. And don't give up. If you're new and you're struggling, just don't give up, man. Stick with it. Stick with it, and you'll make it. I promise. The only people who didn't make it are the people who gave up. So thanks everyone for tuning in. Shout out to all 10 of my new subscribers. 10, 11. We're almost to 100, man. Pushing. It's gonna take hard work and dedication, but we're at 67 last I checked. thank you guys. I hope you enjoy the content. Hopefully I can keep bringing you some good market cipher analysis. I feel like we're doing pretty well at calling what's gonna happen. Now we just need to put it into action, right? Well, I appreciate everybody, and I hope y'all have a great night. We'll be back first thing in the morning. I'm out.